The National Weather Service in Valley has issued a tornado warning for east central Douglas County in eastern Nebraska, west central Pottawatomie County in western Iowa, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm containing confirmed tornado was tracked moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated storm. Impact: expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. Take cover now. If in mobile home or in vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take a battery-powered radio and tune to the NOAA weather station for further notice. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Valley. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for east central Nebraska and Omaha.